Welcome to the ultimate guide on decoding his hidden feelings. Have you ever wondered if that special someone is secretly crushing on you? Well, get ready to uncover the truth as we dive deep into the subtle cues and signals he's been sending your way. From lingering eye contact to meaningful conversations, we're spilling all the tea on how to decipher his body language, behavior, and even his fashion choices. Don't miss out on this revealing journey to unravel his true emotions. Stay tuned for the complete roadmap to unlocking his heart. Let's decode the mystery together. 1. Captivate his attention with the power of eye contact. Wondering if he's into you? Look no further than his gaze. When a guy locks eyes with you while you speak, it's a surefire sign of interest beyond friendship. His unwavering focus reveals his genuine intrigue in every word you say. So, if you're ready to reciprocate the flirtatious vibe, mirror his eye contact and show him you're fully engaged. A warm smile and nod can work wonders, making him feel at ease in your presence. Get ready to deepen your connection through the language of the eyes. 2. Unlock the secret code of connection with mirroring. Ever caught him copying your every move? That's no coincidence. Mirroring is his subconscious way of building rapport. Whether it's mimicking your hair flip or crossing his arms right after you, he's creating an unspoken bond. It's all about fostering familiarity without even realizing it. Ready to up the ante? Mirror his actions to send a subtle signal of mutual interest. Embrace his posture, gestures, or even his speech style to ignite the spark of connection. Get ready to dance in sync with the language of attraction. 3. Feel his presence as he leans in closer. Ever noticed him inching towards you during conversations? That's his way of saying, "You have my undivided attention." Watch how his body language speaks volumes about his feelings. Leaning in, angling his head, and orienting his entire being towards you are clear signals of his genuine interest. It's like he's drawn to your every word. Ready to reciprocate the energy? Mirror his gesture and position yourself to face him fully, creating an inviting atmosphere for deeper connection. Get ready to lean into the magic of mutual attraction. 4. Feel the magnetic pull of his desire to be near you. Ever found him gravitating towards your side? That's no coincidence. When a guy likes you, he'll go above and beyond to close the physical gap between you. Whether it's strategically sitting beside you at dinner or lingering at the back just to stroll by your side, he's craving your closeness. Watch as he effortlessly removes any barriers, be it pillows, tables, or doors, just to be within arm's reach. Get ready to embrace the warmth of his proximity as you embark on this journey of connection. 5. Feel the electric sparks fly with his playful touches. Ever felt his hand brush against yours or his arm linger on yours a little too long? That's his subtle way of flirting and showing his interest in you. Watch as he effortlessly adds a touch of intimacy to your conversations, leaving you craving more. Whether it's a light graze on the arm or a playful tap on the leg, he's speaking the language of attraction. Ready to reciprocate? Amp up the flirtation by grazing his hand or intertwining your fingers as you walk together. Let the dance of flirtatious touches begin. 6. Witness his style transformation just for you. Ever noticed him stepping up his fashion game when you're around? That's his way of flirting through wardrobe choices. Watch as he swaps out his usual attire for something more stylish and attention-grabbing just to catch your eye. Whether it's trading sweatpants for jeans or t-shirts for trendy shirts, he's making a statement about his feelings. Ready to reciprocate the fashion-forward vibe? Dress to impress and let your style speak volumes about your interest in him. Enhance your allure with a touch of makeup to truly captivate his attention. 7. Bask in the warmth of his thoughtful gestures. Ever been pleasantly surprised by his impeccable memory? When a guy likes you, he'll make it his mission to remember even the smallest details about you, from your birthday to your favorite foods. It's all part of his quest to deepen the connection and show you he cares. Watch as he treasures every tidbit of information like precious gems, eager to make you smile. Ready to reciprocate the sentiment? Show him you're equally attentive by remembering the little things about him. Surprise him with thoughtful gifts that reflect his interests, ensuring unforgettable moments together. 8. Bask in the glow of his infectious laughter and bright smiles. Have you noticed how his face lights up whenever you're near? It's like you're the source of all his joy. His genuine laughter and constant smiles are a clear indication that you make his heart sing. Watch as he revels in your presence, cherishing every moment spent together. Ready to deepen your bond? Make it your mission to tickle his funny bone and share moments of laughter and joy. Whether it's a witty joke or a hilarious story, let your humor strengthen the connection between you. Get ready for endless smiles and laughter-filled memories. 9. Feel the power of his undivided attention, solely focused on you. Ever experienced his unwavering gaze and attentive presence during conversations? That's the mark of a guy who's truly smitten. Instead of getting lost in distractions, he hangs on to your every word, leaning in and maintaining eye contact like you're the only one in the room. Watch as he effortlessly creates a bubble of intimacy, cherishing each moment spent together. Ready to reciprocate the connection? Show him you're equally engaged by actively listening, asking questions, and sharing your thoughts. Let the conversation flow and deepen your bond. 10. Indulge in the magic of cherished moments together, just you and him. Ever felt his genuine desire to carve out alone time amidst his busy schedule? That's the mark of a guy who's head over heels for you. Whether it's running errands or cozying up at his place, he'll move mountains to savor every precious moment by your side. Watch as he prioritizes your company, even going as far as canceling plans with friends just to bask in your presence. Feel the flutter of his jealousy when you're with others, a clear sign of his deep affection. Get ready for unforgettable moments in your own private world. 11. Feel the warmth of his unwavering support, making you his top priority. Ever experienced his willingness to drop everything just to be there for you? That's the mark of a guy who truly cherishes you. Whether it's lending a helping hand with your tasks or offering a shoulder to lean on during tough times, he's there without hesitation. Watch as he navigates inconveniences and hurdles just to ensure your comfort and happiness. Ready to reciprocate the love? Be his rock in return, offering both physical and emotional support whenever he needs it. Let your actions speak volumes about your deep care and affection. 12. Embark on a journey of dreams together, as he paints a future with you by his side. Have you ever caught glimpses of his exciting plans for the future, where you play a starring role? Whether it's fantasizing about adventures together or envisioning a life where you're intertwined, you're always at the center of his dreams. Feel the depth of his commitment as he weaves you into his every aspiration and goal. Ready to turn dreams into reality? Embrace his vision and join him on the path to creating unforgettable memories together. Let your shared dreams ignite the flame of everlasting love. 13. Feel his genuine curiosity as he delves into the depths of your soul. Have you noticed how he hangs on to your every word, eager to uncover the layers of your being? When a guy likes you, he becomes a relentless seeker of knowledge about you. Watch as he peppers you with questions about your passions, interests, and every detail that makes you who you are. Prepare to be captivated by his thirst for understanding, as he strives to paint a complete picture of your essence. Ready to reciprocate the intrigue? Explore mutual interests and passions together, forging an unbreakable bond through shared experiences and heartfelt conversations. 14. Dive into the depths of meaningful conversation with him by your side. Have you ever felt the thrill of exploring profound topics with someone who truly gets you? When a guy is genuinely interested, he won't settle for surface-level chit-chat. Instead, he craves a connection that transcends the ordinary, delving into your dreams, fears, and values. Prepare to be swept away as you share your innermost thoughts and aspirations, forging a bond built on understanding and mutual respect. Embrace the opportunity to exchange honest opinions and insights, uncovering the depths of his character with every heartfelt conversation. 15. Feel the warmth of his trust as he unveils his innermost thoughts to you. Have you sensed the depth of his emotions as he bares his soul? When a guy truly likes you, he'll open up like a book, revealing his vulnerabilities and deepest feelings. Witness the beauty of his trust as he confides in you, seeking solace in your presence. Embrace the privilege of being his confidant, offering a safe haven for his honesty and vulnerability. Ready to reciprocate the trust? Open your heart to him, sharing your own experiences and seeking comfort in his embrace when needed. Let your bond deepen through the power of shared vulnerability. 16. Bask in the glow of his unwavering respect for your thoughts and opinions. Ever felt truly heard and understood by someone who values your perspective? When a guy likes you, he'll listen attentively without interrupting, honoring your voice and opinions. Embrace the freedom to express yourself openly, knowing he'll never belittle or judge you. Witness the magic of genuine interest as he encourages you to share your thoughts and ideas, fostering a deep connection built on mutual respect. Ready to reciprocate the gesture? Engage him in honest conversations, valuing his viewpoints and keeping an open mind. Let your bond flourish through the power of mutual understanding and respect. 17. Feel the power of his unwavering support as he cheers you on towards your dreams. Have you ever experienced the thrill of having your own personal cheerleader? When a guy likes you, he becomes your biggest fan, celebrating your every success and cheering you on through every challenge. Embrace the warmth of his encouragement as he uplifts you to reach for the stars. Watch as he praises your achievements and stands by your side as you chase your goals. Ready to reciprocate the love? Shower him with compliments, acknowledging his unique strengths and abilities, and be his guiding light during tough times. Let your support strengthen the bond between you. 18. Feel the warmth of his constant presence through the buzzing of your phone. Have you ever experienced the joy of receiving spontaneous messages throughout the day from someone special? When a guy likes you, he'll keep the connection alive through texts, photos, and even videos, bridging the gap when you're apart. Watch as he showers you with random messages, checking in on your day and sharing moments that make you smile. Embrace the playful use of emojis as a subtle hint of his hidden feelings. Ready to reciprocate the affection? Send him little reminders of your thoughts, like funny memes or interesting videos, to keep the spark alive. Let your texts ignite the flame of attraction between you. 19. Feel the thrill of his unwavering attention as your phone lights up with his rapid responses. Ever noticed how he's always quick to reply, never leaving you waiting? When a guy harbors strong feelings for you, he won't risk jeopardizing the connection by keeping you hanging. Watch as he eagerly engages in conversation, cherishing every moment spent texting you. Anticipate his replies within mere minutes or even seconds, a testament to his genuine interest in you. Ready to spice up the conversation? Playfully flirt via text, teasing him or sharing jokes to keep the banter alive. Let your text sizzle with the sparks of attraction. 20. Step into the inner circle of his world as he proudly introduces you to his friends. Ever felt the honor of being welcomed into someone's inner circle? When a guy introduces you to his close friends or family, it's a clear sign of his deep affection and trust in you. Embrace the opportunity to get to know the other important people in his life, gaining insight into his world beyond just the two of you. Watch as he eagerly shares this intimate part of his life, hoping you'll embrace it with open arms. Ready to reciprocate? Invite him into your own friend circle, creating beautiful memories together with those closest to you. In conclusion, decoding a guy's feelings can be as complex as it is exciting, but by paying attention to his body language, actions, and words, we can uncover the depth of his emotions. From lingering glances to thoughtful gestures, each sign offers a glimpse into his heart. When he maintains eye contact, mirrors your actions, and leans in to listen, it's clear that his affection runs deep. Moreover, his willingness to open up, support your dreams, and introduce you to his inner circle solidifies the bond between you. So, embrace the journey of connection, knowing that every moment shared is a step closer to discovering true love.